guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own intro, your own YouTube intro. So I found out about this website called Panzoid, and I think it's a great website because it has a lot of templates of intros and outros that you can use for free. And it is actually not that hard using it. It is pretty easy, and you can also make one of your own, but that takes a lot of practice. But I'm gonna teach you how to do it the simple way using other people's templates. So as I'm scrolling here, I can see that there is a lot of intros that I can pick from, and there's a lot that I can't decide which one to do. So I guess I'm gonna do this one, the chill blue intro. And you can also search up the intros if you want in a specific one. So yeah, and you can also make your own account if you're trying to make intros of by yourself and share it, let people use it, And you can also follow the person if you have the account and like it and flag it and all that stuff. So since we picked the intro, and I don't know why I picked a different one, but yeah, we're gonna use this for now. So there are two different types of intros. There are the 3D intros and the 2D intros. The 2D are just like cartoonish looking and just 2D, not 3D, So this one, I don't know what it happened, but it brought me to a 2D one. But I'm gonna work with this one and show you how you can change the name to your YouTube name or whatever you're making an intro of. Alright, so click on it, and then you're gonna click on Open Clip Maker. So if you're familiar with 3D programs, this shouldn't be as hard, but if you're new to all of that, that's okay. It's not that complicated. So as you can see, we have the part where all of the objects and effects are. And then you got other examples of intros that you can choose from if you change your mind. And then you got all these buttons here. So first of all, you're gonna appear with this. Your intro is all the models here. You don't want to touch any of that unless you're a pro and you know how to edit stuff with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this eyeball here, and it should turn red, as you can see right here, and that's so that we can see the preview. So if you click on play, you can see the intro going on, but for me, my computer is a little laggy, so it'll be a little laggy for me, but I'm probably not for you. So yeah, the intro will go and you will see how it is, and if you don't like it, just switch the type of intro or outro. Alright, so it has music obviously, but you can't hear it right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to press play just so that we get to the part where it says template or name or text, where you see the title basically. And I'm just going to pause it there, and I'm going to go where it says objects. So if you just put your arrow onto this cube, 3D cube, you'll see objects, and then click on it, and then you're gonna see all of the objects that have been added to this intro. So we're gonna go where it says text, and you're gonna click it, and then you appear with this tab here, the options, and you're gonna click on where it says template, and we're gonna switch it to your preferred text or to whatever you want to put it in. I'm gonna put what should we put this? We should put this as Pam's, and then I'm gonna put my channel name, and I'm gonna click enter, and bam, it will switch. And sometimes it might be too big, so you can just adjust the size here, which it says here 10. If you drag and like drag it to the side, but click and drag, it will change the size. See? Or you can just click it and type in the size that you think would be perfect for it to fit. But right now it's at a good size, so we're gonna leave it like that. And you can obviously change the font if you don't like the font that it has. And yeah, and I don't recommend changing anything else unless you know how to work this. After that, we are going to download it. So we can download it as a video. So we're gonna render it, not download it, it's rendering it. But if you think that you're gonna go back to this and edit it again, go to menu to these 3 bars. Oh wait, no, just go to project, the little folder here. Click on project, click on download project file, and this will download it as the file, so like the editor file, you know, so that you can go back to it, open it up, and then you can edit it again. You know, it will appear your folder page and save it wherever you want, but I'm not gonna save it in this case. But you would usually just press save and change the name if you want. The basic saving stuff. So once we're done, we're gonna return to editing, and then we're gonna go back to here to this arrow, and we're going to start rendering the video once we're satisfied on how this intro looks. And I don't think you should change this, you should just leave it at MKV, or if you need to change it to the other one, but I'm gonna keep it as it is. And for mode, you can do fastest render, you can do good quality, extreme quality, but it will be slower as it says here. But if you do fast render, it's probably gonna be not so much of a great quality. So I'm just gonna say balanced. And yeah, and you click start video render, and then it will start rendering finally. So yeah, just wait for it to be rendered. Alright, so once it's done rendering, you can go ahead and click download your video, and it will probably appear with your files windows and tell you where you want to save your video. So right now I'm gonna switch the name, and I'm gonna put new intro. I'm gonna give it a name that I want, and I'm gonna go ahead and save it under videos or wherever you want to go save it. And I'm gonna click save. It will start downloading into a video file, and open it up straight from here or from your files. So I'm gonna click on it to open it and preview it, and your video should play normally. And if you don't like the quality of it, you can always change it to high quality and do the same steps.
Kiss me every time.